Imagine creating high-quality YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or even online courses without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or spending hours on editing. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now with AI avatar videos. In today's video, I'll take you deep into the world of AI avatar video creation. We'll cover what AI avatars are and how they work, why they are becoming the future of online content, step by step, how you can create professional AI avatar videos from scratch, real ways to make money using AI avatars in 2025 and beyond. And finally, I'll share some pro tips that most people won't tell you. So, stick around till the end, because this video could change the way you look at video creation forever. Section 1. What are AI avatar videos? Let's start simple. What exactly is an AI avatar video? An AI avatar video is basically a video where the presenter, narrator, or actor isn't a real person, but a digital human created with artificial intelligence. Think of it like this. Instead of hiring actors, using expensive cameras, or setting up a studio, you simply type your script into an AI tool, and it generates a human-like character who speaks your words with natural expressions, lip sync, and gestures. In short, AI avatars equals your virtual video presenters. And the crazy part? Many of these avatars look so realistic that your audience won't even realize it's AI. Section 2. Why AI avatar? Videos are the future. Now you might be wondering, why are AI avatars suddenly everywhere? Well, there are 5 big reasons why this trend is exploding in 2025. Cost-effective. No need to hire actors, rent cameras, or pay editors. You save thousands of dollars. Time-saving. You can produce a full HD video in minutes, not weeks. Scalable. Want 10 videos a week? Just generate them. No burnout, no scheduling problems. Multilingual power. AI avatars can speak in 50+ languages with native-like fluency. Imagine one video reaching global audiences. Consistency. Your avatar never ages, never forgets lines, and always delivers perfectly. That's why big companies, YouTubers, educators, and marketers are adopting AI avatars to scale their content. Section 3. Where you've already seen AI avatars. Here's the fun part. You may not even realize you've already seen AI avatar videos. Some YouTube tutorial channels you watch? They might be AI generated. Those Instagram motivational reels with a person speaking directly into the camera? AI avatars. Even professional ads and corporate explainer videos use avatars because it's faster and cheaper. So, if you thought this is something new, it's already happening around you every single day. Section 4. Step by step. How to create AI avatar videos. Now comes the exciting part. How do you create an AI avatar video from scratch? Let's go step by step. Step 1. Write your script. Everything begins with a good script. Keep it simple, conversational, and structured. For example, use a hook, give value, and add a call to action. Step 2. Choose an AI avatar tool. Some of the best platforms in 2025 include Synthesia, great for professional corporate videos. HeyGen, perfect for YouTube and social media content. Alai.io, customizable avatars for e-learning. DID, good for talking photo avatars. Pictory plus AI voiceover, to mix avatars with stock visuals. Each has free trials or paid plans depending on your needs. Step 3. Pick your avatar. These tools let you choose a virtual presenter. Some look like real humans, others are more cartoonish. You can even clone your own face and voice if you want your digital twin. Step 4. Add your script and voice. Just paste your script, Choose a voice, and the AI automatically syncs lips, tone, and body movement. Step 5. Customize the background. Want a classroom, office, or futuristic setup? You can pick virtual backgrounds or upload your own. Step 6. Export your video. Within minutes, your AI avatar video is ready in full HD. And guess what? Even if you have zero editing skills, you can make professional-looking content. That's the real magic. Section 5. Real-life uses of AI avatar videos. So now that you know how to make them, let's talk about where you can actually use AI avatar videos. YouTube channels, create faceless content, tutorials, reviews, or motivational videos without ever showing your face. Instagram and TikTok Reels. Turn quotes, lessons, or scripts into short avatar clips. Online courses. Teachers can record lessons in multiple languages without repeating themselves. Business marketing. Companies can create explainer ads, onboarding videos, or product demos with avatars. Customer support and training. Imagine an avatar answering FAQs or teaching employees worldwide. The applications are literally endless. Section 6. How to make money with AI avatar videos. Alright, I know this is what you're waiting for. How do you actually make money using AI avatar videos? Here are 7 proven ways in 2025. YouTube automation channels run faceless. YouTube channels in niches like tech, motivation, finance, or education. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Freelancing services offer AI avatar video creation on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Businesses pay $50 to $500 per video, depending on quality. Online courses and coaching. Record professional-looking courses with avatars. Sell them on Udemy, Teachable, or your own website. Social media marketing brands need daily content. You can provide them with avatar reels. Corporate training videos. Companies spend thousands creating training material. AI avatars make it faster and cheaper. Affiliate marketing videos. Use avatars to explain products and add affiliate links in descriptions. Local business ads create low-cost ads for local shops, gyms, or restaurants using avatars. And here's the truth. Most people still don't know this opportunity exists. That means you're early, and that's the best time to start. Section 7. Limitations and things to keep in mind. Of course, no technology is perfect. So, let's be honest about the limitations. Emotions can feel robotic in some avatars, though this is improving fast. Custom avatars can be expensive initially. Overuse of the same avatar might make your content less unique. AI voices are good, but sometimes you'll want to add background music or sound design for more realism. But honestly, these are tiny issues compared to the massive opportunities AI avatars bring. Section 8. Pro tips for creating better. AI avatar videos. Now let me share some pro tips to make your avatar videos stand out. Use short sentences. AI voices sound better with simple, short lines. Add background music. This hides any robotic feel and makes videos engaging. Mix with stock footage. Combine avatar clips with B-roll visuals for variety. Brand your videos. Add logos, colors, and captions for professional appeal. Experiment with languages. Create content in Hindi, Spanish, or Arabic to reach global markets. Remember, the goal isn't just to create AI videos, but to create engaging and valuable content that connects with your audience. This isn't a passing trend. It's the future of media, and those who adapt early will dominate the digital world. So, now you know everything about AI avatar videos, what they are, how to make them, and how to turn them into an income stream. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Would you use an AI avatar for your videos? And hey, if you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial on my favorite AI avatar tool, let me know in the comments.